Now here I have drawn a ellipse. Now in the ellipse we are having a very important term that is called eccentricity. Now basically what is the eccentricity? First of all, let us go for the definition part. You can just check it. The eccentricity of an ellipse is the ratio of the distances from the center of the ellipse to one of the foci and to one of the vertices of the ellipse, and it is denoted by E is equal to C oblique A. E is equal to C oblique A, okay. Or we can have second definition also. Now what this says, if S is a fixed point and L is a fixed line in the plane, now you can just go here, S is a fixed point here, this L is a directrix, okay. Now in coordinates of S are AE comma 0, here a point P lies on the ellipse, that is coordinates are x comma y, and then we are having A1, A2, B1, B2, A1 to A2 is the major called major axis and this is the minor axis, okay. So now if S is a fixed point and L is a fixed line in the plane, eccentricity E be a constant and 0 is less than E is less than 1. Here eccentricity is always less than 1. Now in the conic part we are having three things: parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. In the parabola, if you remember, eccentricity was equal to 1. Here eccentricity is less than 1. If eccentricity is less than 1, it forms a ellipse. Then locus of points P in the plane such that PS oblique distance of point P from L. PS, this distance upon P to L. You can write it here only because this is the directrix, so we can say PS upon PM. Here we can write it PS upon PM is equal to E, which is less than 1. You can just look here. We can write it PS upon PM is equal to E, okay, and this E is less than 1. Is it clear? One thing. Second thing is, now here we are having E is equal to C oblique A. It is given E is equal to C oblique A. Now this implies C is equal to A comma E. So that's what I have written, AE comma 0. In many books you will be getting this as C comma 0, and suppose this is the second focus, this is S1. So here it will be negative of AE comma 0 or negative of C comma 0, okay. So C basically means what? A times E. Is it clear? So this is all about the eccentricity.